Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I made this video to learn to speak English. Therefore, I have to talk about something. Well, that something is Indonesia safe? Of course not. Indonesia not a safe. Indonesia a country. Of course it's safe because no one use a gun. Because we use more traditional thing, like machete, sickles, and Molotov cocktail. If you use a gun, you die immediately. But if you use more traditional thing, like machete, you're not gonna die immediately. You're just gonna be disabled for the rest of your life. Okay, joke aside, gun is illegal in Indonesia. I think it's the same, like the rest of the world, except for America. Yeah, die. Okay, I want to talk about crime, Crime is always around, whatever you in which country in the world, there always be a crime, But the difference is how often. Here, I want to talk about Indonesian crime. I don't want to say generally, it's just my experience, my own experience, because I'm not a journalist, I'm not picking up all the data about the crime, But in personal level, in real life, how often is the crime happen? But before that, I remember it's from the TV show, Bang Napi, the convict bro. I remember he always said,
Kejahatan terjadi bukan hanya karena ada niat pelakunya, tapi juga karena kesempatan. Waspadalah, waspadalah.
Okay, so about the crime in Indonesia, like I said earlier, I'm not gonna talk all of them. I'm just wanna talk three main things for today's video. First is rubber. Rubber is rubber. First is robber. Second is mugger. And the third thing is biker gang. There's a lot more, but I can talk all in one video. And like I said, it's from my own experience. So if anyone, let's just say, have their own experience, either that's Indonesian viewer and maybe from outside Indonesia, you just leave comment below. But your own experience, not from the news, your own experience, either yourself, your friend, your family, your acquaintance, something like that. Okay, so back again. First is robber. I think I describe it is like burglar, Someone is break out to your house, stealing your thing from your house. I have that experience, in my own home. 2 times. First is 2007 and the second one is, I don't know, 2013. It's not a lot, that missing. Only my watch, cheap watch, and my little sister bag. Not like Gucci bag, not like that. It's like the school bag, with books and some stuff. It's very scary because I wake up, I going to my refrigerator, drink cold water, like British water. Drink water, but I hear some noise, not big noise, like steps. The good thing is I back to my room and gone with my sleep. But when dusk, there is my neighbor is like, I being robbed, my house being robbed. My family is not like, don't know the robber is come to our house. I remember, where's my watch? It's like, the cheap watch, but no one care. In the afternoon, it's like, there's a window. We use fence, the steel fence. There's come off. Oh yeah, back again, my sister is, where's my bag? Where's my bag? Something like that. We found our sister bag close to the vents. It's like, oh, the robbers are going here. There's one happened, but nothing big than missing. Just only my cheap watch. My sister also is bags. It's only book. Okay, that's quite experience, I think, for me. The second one in 2013. It's quite big because we lost 2 laptops, 3 phones, and 1 camera. What I'm upset about the second one, because I think if I wake up, I'm gonna, because I'm older back then. I'm older because what I'm upset is the laptop is in front of me. It's like I sleep, there is small table. It's like there's the laptop, but I remember when I wake up, it's like, where's my laptop? Oh, there's a fuss everywhere. It's like everyone, my neighbors, come to my house. It's like, what going missing? It's like, oh yeah. That's if someone broke to your house. But you know, there is some case, you know, like still occur. Yeah, still occur. I think it's quite rare, but stealing a motorcycle is quite often, you know. But the funny thing is, it's like specific type. I remember when I'm in middle school, the motorcycle that's always been stealing is like Suzuki Satria and Honda Beat is quite a lot being steal. I think in my own experience, you know, that's in my own experience. But yeah, stealing a motorcycle, quite a lot happen. So that's the robber and stealing, something like that. The second one is still stealing, you know, but I think it quite extreme. It's, I don't know if translation is mug, but in Indonesia we call it begal. Begal quite often is like some people, you know, use their bike approaching someone else. Sometimes there's two guys in one motorcycle approaching another person. It's like, give me your bike, you know, or give me your phone, give me your money, or something like that. The scary thing is because they always have a weapon, you know, the traditional one, like I said, you know, either machete, you know, sickle, I don't know, knife, maybe sword, something like that. That's quite scary because, you know, if you don't cooperate, you can get yourself something serious, maybe too serious. But about the begal thing, it's like robbery or, you know, stealing a bike. I quite love meet something like that, you know, my own experience, or, you know, either my friend or my family or, you know, some acquaintance, something like that. But the mugger, the begal, I only in the news. It's like, of course, I'm quite scared, you know, when I'm going out, you know, especially when in the night. It's scary, but for my personal experience, I'm never encounter begal in my own experience because begal is quite a lot from the news, either that from video. Of course, that happen, you know, but I never experience myself. That's for the begal thing. I think for the begal thing, if someone have their own experience, just leave down in the comment below, you know, because I don't have my own experience for encountering a begal. Yeah, still, you know, I think that's a good thing, you know, begal is rarely happen. It's a good thing, but one is too many, you know. One case is too many, I think, for begal thing. But the begal thing, in my own experience, is quite rare. Okay, so the last one is biker gang. Okay, the biker gang thing it's quite happen. I encounter quite a lot, but it's like level thing, you know, like they're just some stupid dumb kid. It's like, oh, don't have any time to do, you know, they have their motorcycle and using like that in the middle of the road, you know. To the extreme is, you know, take your life. Some people is like mix, or, you know, it is a biker gang or it is a begal. But for my own experience, my own encounter, you know, sometimes I'm just pass, nothing happen, and sometimes when you pass the biker gang thing, is like you being chased, something like that. But that happened only one time in my experience. Because I think, I don't know, I think 3 months ago is like stupid kid in their bike, you know, just something like that with their bike. I'm just looking at them, something like that, you know, past them and just look, watching, and they're just slowing down, you know, scared. It's like biker gang is from level 0, you know, to To level 10 is sometimes just, you know, you can pass them, and sometimes they just brutal, you know, something like that for biker gang. So but there's quite a lot happen in biker gang things. I think if it's like, just say you come out in middle of the night, Saturday night, you will find one. I'm guarantee you will find one. In Tasikmalaya, at least, you know, in my city, something like that. So yeah, that's my experience about Indonesian safety. It's not a lot happen, you know. It's like if sun is up, it's quite rare, except, you know, the intention and opportunity thing, but it's not too often. But it's like in the middle of the night, it's quite often happen, you know. Yeah, maybe that's about it. If you have your own experience, just leave in the comment below, you know. If you like this kind of content, yeah, I'm just learning English, you know, just I wanna have to talk about something, just subscribe. Maybe I'm going rich, maybe. Okay, that's about it. See ya. You know, 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 you you know,